Today, I'll show you how to export a Jira project. Exporting a Jira project can mean different things depending on what you need. You may want to export a list of issues, create a backup, or move project data to another tool. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the most common method, exporting project issues from Jira. First, open Jira and log into your account. Now go to the project you want to export. From the project page, open Issues, List, or View All Issues depending on your Jira layout. If you want to export the entire project, make sure the issue search is filtered to that project only. You can use a search query like project equals project key replace project key with your actual Jira project key. For example, if your project key is web, the search would be project equals web. Now review the issue list. If you only want certain tickets, add more filters, such as status, assignee, issue type, sprint, or date range. Once the list shows the issues you want, look for the Export button. This is usually near the top right of the issue search page. Click Export. Now choose the format you need. Common options include CSV, Excel CSV, or XML, depending on your Jira version and permissions. For spreadsheets, choose CSV. Jira may ask whether you want to export the current fields or all fields. Choose current fields if you only need the columns visible on the screen. Choose all fields if you want a more complete export with extra issue details. After selecting the option, Jira will download the file to your computer. Open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet tool to review the exported project data. If you need a full site backup, including more than just one project, you may need Jira admin permissions and the backup options from system settings. And that's it. You now know how to export a Jira project. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.